loves, what's up and welcome back. You're watching the Trend Diaries and listening to Nidhi. You guys seem to love the makeup kit video that I did recently, and if you haven't yet watched it, I will leave it in the icon above. You can go ahead and watch that. But I thought of making another makeup kit video for those who hate makeup or do not like makeup. If you too are one from those who do not really like doing makeup but just want to look good at times or put together, then this is the video for you, because I'll be showing you all some products that you can choose from to build your own makeup kit. If you do not really like doing makeup, then this is the video for you. So without wasting much time on my nonsense talks, let's get started. So first things first, if you too are from the ones who love natural looking makeup, or if you're not comfortable wearing makeup but just want to look like put together, you need some kind of makeup products in your kit that would look more natural and would give you that effortless, no makeup look wala base. Then these are the products for you. Like, you can literally vouch on them and vouch on my recommendations, because I'm sure you're gonna love these. Let's start with a good primer, and I love these primers from Maybelline Fit Me. These are very affordable, like 500k under you can easily get these. They come in different variant, matte as well as a dewy one. If you have like oily skin, go for the matte one. If you have like dry to normal skin type, then you can use the dewy one. Both of them are really good. They would not only elongate your base but would also give you a smooth canvas and protect your skin from the makeup. Like, you need a good primer underneath your foundation or base product so that it would act like a good barrier between your skin and the makeup. Like, contact na ho to behtar hai, especially if you have like sensitive skin like mine. If I do not use primers and then directly apply the base products, I will definitely get breakouts the next day, so I do not really skip on my primer. So for that and your skin to look very healthy, glass-like and glowing from within, you need a good stroke cream, and for that I would recommend these. You can either go for the affordable version, which is the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base, or you can go in for the Max Stroke Cream. I also have the full size, but shayad wo upar vanity mein hai. This is like the sample I got in one of my recent purchases, so you can use either or. The Swiss Beauty one is like a bang on dupe of the Max Stroke Cream, and मैंने इसका ढक्कन तोड़ दिया है. It comes in this white shade, but when you just blend it off, you can see it just leaves a very natural glow onto the skin without any chunky glittery particles that would, shine onto your skin. Soft and fine pearl dust is used, which just gives a natural glow onto your face without making you look like a disco ball around. So you can definitely go ahead and grab these stroke creams. If you do not like makeup, you would not like using base products, but agar sirf samjho dark circles cover up karne hai, or you just want to hide some blemish or some pigmentation around your mouth or something, you can definitely go ahead for concealers that look very natural and very effortless on the skin. My top one on the list is the NYX Bear With Me Serum Concealers. These concealers are super lightweight in consistency and they just blend like a dream. They also have like marshmallow extract. My skin tone match is the shade tan, which is this, and this just blends like a dream and has a very good coverage without making it look very unnatural on the skin. So it gives a very natural finish. So a pea size amount is what you need. Just apply it wherever you need and just blend it off. Nobody would ever know you're wearing a base product. Or if not that, you want an affordable option, you can go ahead with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealers. Another bomb concealers. I'm wearing them right now on my face as well. My skin tone match is the shade Caramel, while the shade Butterscotch is a good match as well. Slightly pink hai undertone mein, so I can mix both of these. And medium is my highlighting shades, so you can watch my dedicated video as well if you wanna see how these concealers perform. But these concealers have been my go-to since years and I love them. So these were the concealers that you can use literally just so as to cover up if you're attending any event or any meeting, or if you just want to head out and want to look good and presentable, you can use concealers. But when the days come when you are just hanging around here and there and you don't really want a base, you can totally skip out on this, because this video is for the ones who hate doing makeup. So you can completely skip it out and let your skin breathe. If you're not interested in concealers or foundations, then you can go in with a product like this. This is the Kiro Daily Dewy Serum Foundation. They call it a serum foundation, but this is more so like a BB cream that has serum like benefits. Plus it is very easy on the skin. The packaging is very trial friendly as well. This is my perfect shade match, Almond Beige 03, and you see it has a very lightweight consistency, blends in extremely well on the skin. Again, this product looks like nothing on the skin at all. It just gives a very good glow as well as that slight bit of coverage as well on your skin. So again, a product that looks very natural and very effortless on the skin. You can go ahead with this as well. And अगर कुछ भी base नहीं पहनना है, like no foundation, no BB cream, no CC cream, no concealer, no anything, then all you got to do is just use a good cream blush. Like बस थोड़े से rosy cheeks is what you need and some tint on your lips. Girl, you're sorted. This would too look so good and elevated. Like personally on Sundays when I'm heading out, all I do is just apply some cream blush, a lipstick, and I'm good to go. So here I'm sharing with you all some concealers that again look very natural. Firstly is this a beat tint from Ilana. Now this is an extremely natural looking product. This looks quite intimidating when you first apply it, but as soon as you blend it, it just shears out and gives you the most natural looking flush of color on your cheeks, and this looks stunning. Like honestly, this is the perfect kind of blush that someone would naturally blush. I hope that makes sense. But this shade is just so perfect. Or if you want extremely natural product, again you can go ahead with this shade from Love Earth. This is the Kiss and Tell multi-pot, and this is like a very versatile nude pink color like so, and would look extremely gorgeous when you just blend it out on your skin. That's the shade Kiss and Tell. Or if you want a great dupe of the Ilana B tint in this kind of format, you can use the tint cream blushes. This is the shade Make You Blush. This too, when blended, looks very natural on the skin and just looks effortless. My favorite, Raspberry Gelato from Inside. This is just for 80 rupees. Again, a product that is very long lasting, and when you just blend these kind of shades, you know, these red shades look extremely natural. So if you want like very natural kind of blush, you can go ahead with these kind of shades, because when you just blend it, बहुत effortless लगता है and looks as if you're naturally blushing, and that's the catch, natural. Okay, so yes, those are the cream blushes that you can choose from. I've shown like different formulations and different price wise categories as well. You can definitely choose whichever you like the most. Now after the base is done, you need a good setting powder that would not make you look ghostly white, and I swear by this. This is one of my recent love, you can say. Like I've recently got this, but I've fallen for this totally. This is the K Beauty translucent powder in the shade White. Such a finely milled powder, एकदम smooth है and just blurs out the pores and makes your skin look super smooth as if it's airbrushed. Plus would also make your makeup long lasting. Definitely worth the hype and worth your coin. You can go ahead with this, or else if you want a compact version, you can go in for the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, a mattifying powder in the shade Golden. Now this again is a powder that would set your face but also smoothen it out, and this shade is a good match to set my makeup in place. You can definitely go ahead for this powder. It just slightly adds coverage, like बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. It's not even like a powder foundation, but with the slightest coverage, it will just even out your skin. It's that kind of powder from NYX. I really like it. So you can choose either or, whichever kind. If you like loose powders, go with the K one, or you can also use the Maybelline Fit Me ones. I'm the shade 20 in that. But if you want a compact version, you can go ahead with the NYX one, or if you want a more affordable version but a good one, you can go ahead with the Fit Me compact powder as well. This is a pressed powder in the shade 310 Sun Beige, like that's my shade. So this too is a good powder for mattifying your face and would also lock in the oils and give you shine control finish. You also get a mirror and sponge in this packaging of the Maybelline Fit Me one. So I'm shade 310. So I think that's all the base done, because I personally do not like doing much of highlighting when I'm going for the natural no makeup looks, because the stroke cream has already done the work of, you know, adding a good glow onto your face. So if you top up with a highlighter, obviously it would not look natural and would not serve our purpose. So skip the highlighter and let the stroke cream do its magic. Moving on to brows. So if you're doing like nothing on your face and just have your brows fixed, you're gonna look really put together and made up. Like, brows can literally change the game. So depending on the kind of brow you have, I'll be showing you all different products. For example, if you have a very sparse brows and not much of color and volume to them, you can use a product like this, which is from Maybelline. It is the Tattoo Brow. Now this is a very good product as it's basically a brow styling gel, and this product stays put for like 3 days. It comes with a small spoolie applicator which contains the product. You just have to brush it through your brows like so, and it would add a good tint to your brows, and that is gonna stay for 3 days. So काम कम हो जाता है, 3 दिन तक brow करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है once you just use this. It's waterproof and long lasting. So this would not only add color as well as frame your brows. And a similar product is launched by K Beauty as well. It is their tattoo styler in the shade Walnut. Now the difference being is that इसमें spoolie नहीं आता है. This comes with this, you know, sketch pen felt tip applicator. इससे you can directly just, you know, fill the sparse gaps. Like for example, यहाँ है, so just you have to fill it and leave it. This is gonna tint your brows without making them very crunchy, crusty. So it's a good product. Again, this too stays for like 2 days almost. I've seen that. The tint stays and it's a good one. And if you have a bushy sunshine like brows like mine, you can go for a product like this. This is the soap styler from Makeup Revolution, and this comes in 2 shades. I have the soap styler plus, just my brown color ka tinted soap you get. The other one is a clear white soap, but I've seen with my dark kind of hair color, the white soap residue is kind of seen when it dries up, so I prefer the brown tinted one. So all you got to do is just spray some setting spray onto this, and then use this small spoolie which comes, and then just brush it through your brow hair like so, and it would literally frame your brows and laminate them. It's basically a wax for your brows, and this just works perfectly, and I love the finish. You can definitely try this out as well. So brows done, and all things natural. Coming to the eyelashes now. If you do not like wearing mascara, because obviously mascara is visible, so it again defeats our purpose of, you know, slaying that no makeup look. So all you can do is use a clear mascara like this from ELF. It's their clear brow and lash mascara. So you can also use the same for your eyebrow, while you can use the same for your eyelashes as well. It's a clear one, so it would not be visible, but it would just, you know, add that curl to your lashes and, you know, frame your eyebrow hair as well. So you can definitely use this one if you want a very natural look. But if you do not mind having some tint to your lashes, you can go ahead with this mascara from Kiro. It's the Botanico mascara. I really love this mascara. It's one of the mascaras that look very natural on your eyelashes, and yeah, like your lashes would not look clumped and spider-like post this mascara. It's very lightweight and just would not clump your lashes. Love this mascara totally. And then coming to the lips, घर पे बैठे बैठे तो obviously you would not like wearing much of lipstick. You can go ahead with these kind of tinted lip balms from Nykaa, because they would not only nourish your lips but would also add some color. So basically अच्छा लगेगा. I really love these lip balms from Nykaa. It's their Serial Kisser lip balms. कुछ इस तरीके की packaging में they come. I've completely used this one up. बहुत सुंदर है. Last का कुछ बाकी है. These not only add slight bit of tint to your lips that stays. This is the shade Raspberry. इससे पहले वाला Strawberry था. These are very good ones. Like you can go ahead with this shade which is Chocolate, जो बहुत beautiful nude peachy toned brown nude color है. It shades like light hues of pink or peachy coral tones of brown shades make you look younger. So you can definitely go ahead for these shades. Very good. Or if you like a good red pouch, then you can use the shade which is Cherry. Again, all of these shades are beautiful. I love these a lot. So moving to the part when you are like heading out or want to add some color to your lips, then obviously you can use a lipstick, but I will be showing you all options as well. So if you're someone who would not like to wear lipstick, you can definitely go ahead and use some lip gloss, because that would frame your lips, make them look plump, juicy, and all put together again. So you can definitely go ahead and pick any of these glosses. These are like my favorite glosses that I'll be sharing. तीन तो Makeup Revolution से ही है, because I am loving their formula. They are like very thick, yet non-sticky and hydrating, and the best part is that they stay for a long time. So basically your gloss is going nowhere, and like it does transfer. Definitely it's a gloss, but still it stays on the lips, and that is the reason why I love them. These are like my favorite ones. This one is the Rehab Serum, which you can use even at night as a good lip conditioner as well. This is the Glaze Lip Oil. It has slightest bit of a shimmer into it, which is not really visible on the lips. While this one is one of my favorites, which is their lip serum in the shade Pink Glaze. It has like a slight pink tint to it, and you can just like apply it like so. You can see this smells so fresh, minty and thick in consistency. Just love how conditioning these are, and this one is slightly tingly as well, so it would plump your lips too. You can also go ahead for the tint ones. These are good as well. I was wearing the pink shade, which is Pixie from a tint. Again, a very beautiful light pink toned gloss, which looks very natural on the lips. I've also seen Kiro Beauty launch their gloss. I'm yet to get my hands on it, but I just love these kind of, you know, pink toned glosses. They look very natural, especially if you have like tinted lips. A tinted gloss would look more good on you all. So you can go ahead with these, or else if you want an affordable good option, you can also try out the Mars lip gloss. This is their clear quartz lip gloss. Again, very affordable and does the job really well. And forget this not, this was one of my first ever glosses. This is the e.l.f. Plumping Lip Gloss. The shade I have is a Champagne Glam. Now this one plumps your lips, slightly tingles, and just looks absolutely stunning. Bilkul zyada over shiny nahi lagta. You can see it just adds a nice glow and shift to your lips, giving you that plump look. I just love these glosses from e.l.f. So those were the glosses if you want very effortless lip look, or else you can also use some good lip liners like these. Sabse pehle is the Chestnut Lip Liner, which is this, a very beautiful lip liner. Or you can also use the Mars lip liner. This is the shade Deep Dawn. Again, very beautiful shade. Or use the Mars lip liner. This is the shade Chocolate. I would have all of the links in the description box below. This is another good one. Even the Color Bar Chocolate lip liner is a one to own. These liners you can definitely go for giving your lips that, you know, good frame. If you just don't want to wear anything, just wear a lip liner and some gloss and you're sorted. So you can go ahead with that. And if you like wearing kajal, you can definitely use this. This is the Plum Nature Studio Kajal, black pigmented matte, long lasting and does not hurt even sensitive eyes. So I love that. For setting sprays, I love these. The L'Oreal one is great to just lock everything in place and would make your makeup long lasting, waterproof and transfer proof. While an affordable option is the Seal to Deal Makeup Fixer from Mars Cosmetics. Again, very long lasting kar dega base ko, and it makes your, you know, powders mesh together and make your base look very natural looking. So you can go with this as well. While you can also use my code Nidhi10 on Mars Cosmetics to get extra discount. Coming to the lipsticks, you can definitely go ahead with these kind of nude and very effortless looking shades. Very first one is this shade, which is High Tea from Prosh Beauty. I really love this shade. A mauve nude lipstick, looks very natural on the skin. I just love it. The second shade is Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha, another gorgeous pink brown tone shade, absolutely stunning. The third one over here is this shade, which is a brown nude and matte, very long lasting from Mars Cosmetics. Then one of my favorites, like all of these are my favorites, but my very purana love is the Nykaa Matte Lust in the shade Chai, which is the shade right here, a chocolatey brown nude with red tones. I just love it. And then a pinky toned mauve shade is one you need as well in your collection, which is from Mars Cosmetics. Again, matte and very long lasting. So these are the kind of lip shades which you can use, would look very natural on the skin and बहुत effortless भी लगेगा. So like these were all of the products I feel would be perfect if you're someone who does not like doing makeup but still just want to look put together. Then these are the ones to go for. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. All of the products would be linked in the description box below, and we shall meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care, namaste and keep trending.